We all know oil and water don't mix, but our bodies are 60% water. How do our bodies then digest fats, and how are they transported around our bodies so therefore we can access the nutrients that are inside the fats? Let's look at the basic process of digestion and metabolism of fats and oils. The little blob right here represents fats and oils, and fats and oils, as we saw before, are hydrophobic, which means they don't dissolve or don't mix in water. What our bodies need to do is they need to provide a substance which allows the fat and oil to mix with our blood and our water that's in our bodies. That substance is bile. It is produced in the liver and excreted by the gallbladder. And what it does is it acts as a surfactant, which has a hydrophobic side and a hydrophilic side, and therefore can surround our molecule of fat and then disperse it, creating what we like to call an emulsion. This emulsion is a lot of small droplets of fat with larger surface area that allow water access to our triglyceride to break the ester linkages, breaking our triglyceride, our fat, into our glycerol and 3 fatty acids. The enzyme that's used to break down fats is called lipase. And this acts as a catalyst to help break this ester functional group here. There are 3 ester functional groups, so therefore in the metabolism of fats, we have to undergo hydrolysis 3 times using 3 water molecules. Now, once our molecule has been broken up into its glycerol and our fatty acids, these can now be transported around the bloodstream and either be used for energy via oxidation, or sometimes they recombine using the same enzyme lipase to form fat deposits around the body. This allows us to keep insulated and warm and also protect our vital organs. So let's recap and go through that process from start to finish. We start off with a very hydrophobic clump of fat or oil. This is broken down into smaller droplets using bile, and then these droplets can be catalyzed by lipase and broken into our glycerol and our fatty acids. What happens then is lipase rejoins these molecules together and stores fat wherever it needs to go. The key chemical process here is a hydrolysis reaction, which is breaking the ester linkage in our triglyceride. The ratio is 1 triglyceride to 3 waters, and that will produce 1 glycerol and 3 fatty acids. And that, my friends, is how our bodies process fats and oils.